Hey folks, welcome to this episode of Jameson Run. It is one rainy Sunday afternoon right now, and I've got the best helper there is right here, my main man himself. And we are going to go ahead and drain some of the old fuel out of the sawmill because it's been sitting for a little bit. Not long, but we want to make sure that we put some ethanol-free fuel into our sawmill. That way it just keeps the seals conditioned well and everything working well. Small engines should always be ran with ethanol-free fuel. And the person we purchased it off of, I'm not sure if they had ethanol-free or not in it, because it was way in the hills of Kentucky. So not sure if they had that there at that time. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to take a few minutes and drain that out, then put some ethanol-free fuel in it, fire it up, make sure it's running, and get that circulating through the carburetor. That way we know it's in there and sitting there like that. So here we go.
What's this?
Let me see. What's that?
This.
That looks like an air filter.
This?
That's an exhaust. What's this? This is a fuel tank.
Fuel?
Yeah, fuel tank.
What's this?
That's the engine. So we gotta crack this fuel can open here, our fuel tank. Spin this. There we go. We'll pop that out. Always test it with a zip tie. Oh, that's some stinky fuel in there, pal. That's some stinky fuel.
Yeah, smell it.
No, don't smell it. I can smell it as it was coming out, but I'm not gonna reach over to smell it. We gotta get this little guy, this thing right here, up and out of the way though. Because this is our fuel filter at the top of the can here. We gotta wiggle that out.
Me fix you.
There we go. Now we got it moving. You're fixing me? I could always use some fixing.
Make it pen. I got yellow pen.
There we go.
Yay!
Yay! That's our fuel filter. Let's keep that out of there, okay, pal? We don't put anything in the gas tank that's not fuel. All right, so now that we got that out, we need to drain it, right?
We smell it.
Don't smell it. That's not. I know, we smell all kinds of things, but some things are not good to smell, right?
Yay! Make it pen for you.
So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna put this end in. Let's see. I think it goes this way. Oops, I think it goes this way.
Yay, the pen. Yay, the pen.
Yeah, we gotta dip this in here.
Let me dip it.
All right. Whoop, we're going the opposite way. We're going the wrong way, kiddo. Going the wrong way.
Move it.
Yeah, exactly. Let's flip it. Ready?
Let me need it.
We'll put this in.
Let me need
Jameson,
it.
hey, bud. Look.
Let me need it.
Oh, I understand that, but we gotta get this in there. This is what's draining our fuel out. And there we go. We started our siphon. Can you say siphon?
Siphon.
Might not be. Don't pull that out, please. There might not be a whole lot in here. You can dip it in there, sure.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, yeah, but I'll get you another one, okay?
Okay.
Leave that guy in there. We'll get you another zip tie. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me another zip tie. Give me another zip tie.
Okay. Hang tight. We're gonna get all this fuel out of here.
What's that coming down here?
That's fuel. It's gasoline. Good gas or bad gas? I don't know. Judging by the smell of it, it smells like bad gas. All right, we're almost there, bud. All right, now let's double check each side of the tank, okay? So hold on tight for a second. We're gonna turn this. Oh, don't leave it in there, please. Yep.
That's it!
Jameson. Hey. Need that end in there, please.
No.
Yeah. That's how we have to do to check this, okay? All right, I think we're empty. Tap on it. Sound empty? I think so, pal.
We need that one of the glasses.
All right, I'll get you a zip tie. You hang tight right there, okay?
We need the black
I got you one. You're welcome. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're gonna put some ethanol-free fuel in our tank here.
It's just for you.
Is that good?
Yes.
All right.
Dip in.
We don't want to dip that in. Remember, we want to keep anything that's not gasoline out of our gasoline. So we'll put our filter back in. Set him in there.
Make it this glass.
Yeah.
Yes, smell it.
Oh, don't smell it, Jameson. You don't smell gasoline on purpose. That's not good for you. Not good for your lungs. Yeah, your lungs. Your lungs are important. That's what makes you. That's what helps you breathe. Huh?
Yeah.
Helping you breathe. All right, let's see if we can get that to set in there. This way. All right, we got the cap on. Hey! Give me 5. What is that? All right, so now we should start it up and let it run a little bit. What do you think? Let's check our oil. That should be good.
Don't start it up.
Well, we gotta start it up and let it run for a minute, but we gotta get that fuel through there.
You can't get
I'll
that.
help you, bud. There you go. Ready? All right, choke. Let's try with the choke off. There we go. All right, folks. So, jump down off the trailer there. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open the garage doors up and let that run for a little bit. What do you think, little guy? Think we set it up pretty good?
Yeah.
We're gonna let it run a little bit, get that ethanol-free fuel through the system, through the carburetor and things. And then next time, I don't think it'll take so many pulls to start. It's a brand new cooler 14-horse engine. Yeah. And it has like 4 hours on it. So, hey, not in your mouth, not in your mouth, not in your mouth. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Tune back. We'll see you on the next episode of Jameson Run, you goofball.